The Be Green solution, the smart alternative to traditional packaging. Did you know that around 26% of the 311 million tons of plastic produced every year is used as plastic packaging? Be Green food service packaging comprises a variety of disposable food service packaging products made from bamboo and bagasse fiber. Be Green packaging designs, manufactures, and distributes cradle-to-cradle certified silver, leaf-free, compostable, and recyclable packaging for the good and consumer packaging industries that is safe for people and healthy for the planet. They create and offer not only sustainable alternatives to traditional petroleum-based packaging, but also strive to educate people about their impact on the environment. They currently hold 7 eco-social certifications for their products, including the cradle-to-cradle certification.
What are the main geochemical cycles affected?
Be Green follows a soil-to-soil process. All products are made from Be Green packaging's proprietary blend of organics and renewable plant fibers such as bamboo, sugarcane, tree fibers, which contribute positively to the swelling problem of plastic consumption and waste. Over time, they will decompose and leave behind nothing but natural byproducts, which can safely re-enter the carbon cycle. At the end of the life cycle of the product, they could be discarded into sanitary landfills or could be composted to produce healthy soil, which in return will grow plants. Those plants will then be used as the raw material and the cycle continues. The composting process strongly influences the biogeochemical cycles of carbon and nitrogen as it affects their fluxes in and out of the soil system and residence time in soil. It is estimated that erosion can account for a net sink for atmospheric carbon dioxide. Erosion leads to high concentrations of C, N, and other nutrient elements in sediment and downstream water bodies, which can alter the ecology and biogeochemical cycling in those aquatic systems. In addition, the water used maintains its quality throughout the production process and can be recycled back into the process or disposed of without any toxic waste production. Therefore, the main cycles affected are the hydrologic cycle, the carbon cycle, and the nitrogen cycle.
Be Green was successfully able to produce a product that is sustainable and fully circular by tackling their manufacturing process, design stage, and material usage. The materials included renewable plant fiber blends such as wheat straw and tree fibers that have been grown and harvested in a sustainable manner. In addition to that, organic waste from previous production runs were also included. The manufacturing process begins by blending the natural fibers in a pulping system. The slurry is then fed into a multiple thermal pump molding machine to heat and pressurize the material into the mold of the desired shape. Since the product was not bleached, the water maintained its quality and could be recycled back into the plant.
The market of Be Green packaging doesn't only stop on restaurants and delivery services, but also include individual consumers that might use their food packaging for domestic uses. Is there an easier way to buy a product than online shopping? This product can be ordered online with various specifications and quantities to reach all of its clients. Be Green has been expanding beyond food service packaging. For example, in 2010, Be Green produced a biodegradable packaging for gelato. Moreover, in 2017, Be Green entered into a contract with Waypoint to expand its food service sector.
The lessons that can be learned from this product begins with the fact that alternatives to conventional products can be found if given the right incentive, even when competing with widespread products such as styrofoam packaging. More conventional petroleum-based products, while convenient, are difficult to integrate into cradle-to-cradle design and must be phased out for sustainable alternatives. This leads to innovations such as biodegradable food packaging, which can be upscaled or repurposed for many packaging purposes with slight modification to the process. By designing a process with cradle-to-cradle in mind, it becomes easier to benefit the consumer without negatively impacting the environment, which includes not using bleach for purely aesthetic purposes to keep water discharge clean, having a fully compostable product to be able to close its biological cycle, using recycled resources instead of new resources while maintaining a quality product, and sourcing sustainably grown raw materials in order to be more biologically friendly. The sustainable design becomes more impactful when taking into consideration the life cycle of this product and similar products, which are meant to be thrown out after use. But in this case, the product going to the grave is just as useful as the product, since it creates valuable compost. However, it is not the responsibility of the consumer to ensure the life cycle of the product. That is the responsibility of the company.